Dear viewers, the wait is finally over and the final verdict relating to examination controversy has come out. The Supreme Court has passed their final verdict. However, the verdict from Supreme Court is not a very good one as far as the students' perspective is concerned. The students will not be very happy to listen to this verdict. What is the final verdict? Let's see in details. Final year college examinations must be held this year, but states can ask for the dates to be deferred beyond September 30 if they want because of the coronavirus, but examinations cannot be cancelled. The Supreme Court has said that state cannot promote students without final year examinations. So what is the bottom line? The bottom line is that all students have to take the final exams. State can only postpone them but cannot cancel them according to the court. So it's a big update for all the final year students. Some of the universities have already declared the final year results, so now it will create a lot of controversy that whether the universities will withdraw the results and come up with the new examinations or not. So we have to see what happens in the following days. As we all know, several petitions, including one by the Yuva Sena of Maharashtra Minister Aditya Thackeray, had called for the examinations to be cancelled because of COVID-19, and not only Maharashtra government but petitions were filed by several other governments as well. Individually, the students also filed several cases against UGC, and they argued that students have completed 5 semesters and had a cumulative grade point average or CGPA, which could be the basis for the result without final examination. But the Supreme Court ruled out and said that internal assessments are not sufficient to declare the final result. The National Education Body University Grant Commission, that is UGC, had said final year college exams must be held by September 30. The exams are must to protect the academic future of students, and degrees cannot be given without examination, it had said. During hearings, the UGC told the Supreme Court that the directive on exams was not a dictate, but states cannot decide on their own and cannot confer degrees without examination. The states were free to extend the deadline. The Supreme Court today agreed. So here, as we can see, that Supreme Court had completely agreed with UGC's standpoint, and UGC did not pass any stricture for the universities, but at the same time the universities of the states have no right to cancel examinations. The Supreme Court judges also said that if states feel they cannot conduct examination by September 20, they can approach UGC for relief and can apply for extension of date. Justices Ashok Bhushan, R. Suvas Reddy and A. Marsha delivered the ruling through a video conferencing. On the other side, Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, appearing for UGC, said the decision was for the benefit of the students, as the universities have to start admission to postgraduate courses. We all know that all these controversies started in August when UGC questioned the decision of Delhi and Maharashtra government of cancelling the final year exams. So finally, the bottom line is exams have to be conducted and only the states can actually appeal for extension of date. That's all in this video. We have to keep a close eye on the following development in the next few days. Please keep watching Subham Speaks and do subscribe this channel if you haven't done so. Thank you all for watching today's video.